Hi Moodlers. Today we are going to see how you can sell Moodle courses as WooCommerce products. Before we start off, please make sure you have Advisor Bridge, WooCommerce and WooCommerce integration installed and activated on your end. Also make sure you have configured Advisor Bridge settings as per the documentation. Now let's go to synchronization settings and synchronize the courses. Once the courses are synchronized, we can now synchronize courses as WooCommerce products. Make sure the courses are not in draft. All the courses that are sold from WooCommerce will have the price type as closed. Now let's go to WooCommerce products. Open a WooCommerce product that you would like to configure. Set the price for your WooCommerce product. I'll set the price as 0 as of now. Make sure virtual and downloadable are enabled for these products. Also make sure the courses are associated with the WooCommerce product. You can also bundle multiple courses to a single WooCommerce product by just selecting multiple courses here. Add the featured image for the WooCommerce product and save the changes. Let us now configure the required WooCommerce settings. Navigate to Accounts and Privacy. Make sure you have disabled guest checkout and also enabled customers to log in during checkout. You also need to make sure that user creation is enabled in checkout. And also auto-generate username and password is disabled on checkout. Save the changes once it is done. We have now completed the configuration. Let's make a purchase. Navigate to WooCommerce shop page and make a purchase. You are now enrolled in the Moodle courses. I am able to access the course in Moodle. This confirms that the configuration is done correctly. Congratulations! You can now sell your Moodle courses from your e-commerce website. Do contact us if you have any queries. Our email ID is advisor@wisdomlabs.com. Thank you for watching.